Hi everybody! Let's watch the video.
What's it about?
It's about an incredible invention to help solve a problem in the Pacific Ocean.
That sounds interesting.
Let's watch.
The Pacific Ocean is the biggest and deepest ocean in the world. It covers more than 30% of the Earth's surface. And it is home to many amazing animals. But plastic and other kinds of pollution is a big problem in this amazing environment. An inventor from the Netherlands has designed a machine that can help to get the plastic out of the ocean. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is a large patch of rubbish that is floating in the middle of the northern Pacific Ocean. The garbage patch was made because the currents in this part of the ocean move in a circular direction. Rubbish that is floating near these currents is moved closer to the big patch of rubbish. The patch has been described as a soup of plastic. Many animals, like turtles, birds, and other sea animals, go to islands in the Pacific Ocean when they lay eggs and have babies. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch looks like an island, and many animals go there. They can eat small pieces of plastic and get ill. Sometimes they can't get out of the rubbish, and they die. It's thought that over 1 million seabirds and 10,000 sea animals are killed every year by this rubbish. Most of the waste in the patch is plastic, which can have dangerous chemicals in it. A lot of chemicals are found in the plastic soup, so this is very dangerous for animals. When the wind and the currents change, some of the rubbish can leave the patch. Sometimes you can see it on beaches. The plastic in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch comes from all over the world. Any country that has got a coast or a river where plastic can go out to sea can make the garbage patch worse. Lots of environmental groups are working to clean up the patch. People try lots of different ways to clean the ocean. The machine, invented by the Dutch inventor Bojan Slat, floats on the surface of the water and catches rubbish. It's got special sensors so it doesn't get lost in the ocean. But this won't make a big change unless people stop using so much plastic. It's important that we all play a part in helping to reduce waste and save the planet.
Wow, that was very interesting. It's so important to make new inventions that help the world.
Yes. What amazing inventions do you know about?
Wind turbines are amazing.
Yes, you're right. We need more renewable energy. In this country, we've got lots of wind turbines on the coast and in the sea.
What amazing inventions do you know about?